In this video, we will show you how to set up and download this very profitable XAUUSD trading system that you see live, a XAUUSD trading bot, based on a profitable and simple XAUUSD trading strategy, using the RSI indicator to spot entry signals on the gold XAUUSD, and 2 moving averages to filter out false signals. This automated trading system is a XAUUSD trading bot that opens and closes orders automatically, based on a trading strategy for the gold XAUUSD and your money management settings. But before you start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to discover our next trading strategies. The XAUUSD trading strategy of this system is very simple. It is to use on the 15-minute time frame and the RSI indicator with its default settings to find the entry signals, as well as 2 moving averages to determine the direction of the market. A short exponential moving average of 50 and a long exponential moving average of 200, still on the 15-minute time frame. The strategy consists of: open a buy order when the RSI signal crosses the 40 level upwards and the 50 moving average is above the 200 moving average, and open a sell order when the RSI signal crosses the 60 level downwards and the 50 moving average is below the 200 moving average. As you can see on this chart from the MetaTrader 4 platform, this trading strategy for XAUUSD on the 15-minute time frame allows us to identify very good entry signals. We can consider opening a buy order here. We can also take an order there. Continuing, we find another signal here. We have yet another signal here. However, in some cases, the market reverses, like here. If we open a buy order at this level and place our stop loss at this level, it will be hit. And this is where our automated system becomes interesting, because it intervenes to save our order and prevent us from a losing position. Because it uses a grid strategy by moving the stop loss away and opening other orders at different levels. In case the market reverses, the automated system opens new orders in these levels, which will allow us to make even more profits, while avoiding the loss of the first position. I will now show you how to configure and download this automated XAUUSD trading system. To do this, simply go to the web portal www.fx-etrader.com and click on the Create New Bot menu, which will redirect us to this online bot generation form. So, to begin with, we will choose the strategy of our XAUUSD trading bot. In our case, we will select the grid option, and we will keep the MetaTrader 4 option because we will run the bot on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Next, let's move on to step 1. The grid size field corresponds to the number of grid levels. We can keep 10 levels. The spacing corresponds to the number of points between 2 grid levels. For the XAUUSD pair, we will define a spacing of 500 points. But why did we choose 500 points? And how do we determine the number of points for the pair we are going to trade? To answer this question, I go to the MT4 platform, and I will select the crosshair tool in order to measure the number of standard points for gold XAUUSD. I see that, on a 15-minute time frame, the price returns on average 500 points. As you can see here, I can measure this value manually. This value depends on the chosen pair. For example, for the EUR USD pair, the price returns on average 200 points. And for the BTC USD crypto, for example, the price returns on average 500,000 points, because this pair is very volatile. So, to determine the number of points to choose, it must be adapted to the pair we are going to trade. This principle also applies to stocks and other market products. Let's go back to our bot configuration form. For the volume of each order, I keep 0.01, so as not to take too much risk. Otherwise, you can increase the volume if you wish. Let's move on to step 2. In the take profit of each order, I want to define half of the spacing, that is to say 250 points. And I activate the option, Close Grid at Max Profit, to close the current grid, if all the orders in the grid reach a profit of 2,500 points. And I set a stop loss of 5,000 points for the grid to secure my orders. Let's move on to step 3, to choose the entry signals for our XAUUSD trading system. For the entry signals, I will add the RSI indicator. I will set 60 in the field sell level in order to open a sell order when the RSI crosses the 60 level downwards. And I will set 40 in the field buy level in order to open a buy order when the RSI crosses the 40 level upwards. Next, I will add a trend filter based on two moving averages, a short exponential moving average of 50 periods, and a long exponential moving average of 200 periods. This filter allows to limit false signals, and I activate the option, close grid if trend changes, to close all orders of the current grid as soon as the trend direction changes. Once I have finished filling in my parameters, I give a name to our XAUUSD trading system. And I click on the button, Build the bot, to generate it. Once our gold trading system is generated, we will be redirected to this page, which will allow us to download it. Then, you download the Expert Advisor file by clicking on the link, Download, then you install it on your broker's MetaTrader platform. For the installation mode, you click on the link, How to install it. This will display the method to follow, step by step, depending on the version of your MetaTrader platform. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel to discover our next trading strategies. Happy trading and see you soon.